how to attach PDF to MailerLite email. So first go to MailerLite and then click on campaigns here. Okay, now from here you just need to create a campaign. Click on create campaign and then just click on regular campaign and then type in your campaign name. So I'll just type in test 1 or test campaign. Okay, subject, I'll just type in test since this is just an example. Pre-header, you can add a pre-header if you want. Recipients, just choose all active subscribers. Okay, after that just click on next. Now click on drag and drop editor. Okay, now here to add a PDF file, a PDF link to your email, you can just go to Google Drive. So for example, I have a dummy PDF here. So what you need to do here is just click on the three dots here and then click on share, hover mouse over share, and then just click on copy link. Okay, now go back to MailerLite and then make sure that you have the elements section here. Type in, look for a button. Okay, drag and drop the button here if you don't have a button. Since we already have a button, we'll just use this one. So hover mouse over it and then just click on link. Now from here, okay, now from here just need to paste the link of the PDF file that you copied the link earlier, and then you can also toggle this on if you want the link to open in a new tab. So just toggle this on. And then if you want to preview it, just click on preview mode. Okay, now here, so once I've clicked on this one, this is what happens. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.